There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. GE Tilt Head Electric Stand Mixer 7-Speed. 350 watt motor. Includes 5.3 quart bowl, flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shield. The GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a dependable kitchen companion designed to simplify everyday baking and cooking. Featuring a powerful 350 watt motor and 7 optimized speeds, it effortlessly handles everything from whipping cream and mixing cookie dough to kneading bread and preparing fresh pasta. Its generous 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity for family-sized recipes and holiday baking, while the durable die-cast metal construction ensures lasting performance. The convenient tilt head design offers easy access to the bowl and locks securely in place during operation for added stability. A soft start motor minimizes splatters by gradually increasing speed, keeping your workspace cleaner. Compatible with many existing and third-party mixer attachments, this versatile appliance expands beyond mixing to support a variety of culinary tasks. Complete with flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk, pouring shield, and stainless steel bowl, the GE Tilt Head Stand Mixer combines reliability, versatility, style, and convenience for every home kitchen. Benefits: powerful and versatile. The 350 watt motor, 7 speeds, and attachment compatibility make it ideal for mixing, kneading, whipping, and more. Large capacity and easy operation. The 5.3 quart bowl, tilt head design, and soft start feature provide convenient, mess-free mixing for everyday and large batch recipes. Number 2. Craftsman All Metal Stand Mixer 5.3 quart. Professional kitchen electric food mixer with stainless steel mixing bowl and attachments for baking. The Craftsman Stand Mixer is built for home bakers who want powerful performance, durability, and elegant design in one appliance. Its heavy-duty die-cast aluminum body provides exceptional stability, while a 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for preparing large batches of cookies, bread, and family meals. Powered by an efficient DC pure copper motor, it delivers consistent mixing, kneading, and whipping without losing speed under heavy loads. The quiet operation and built-in precision timer make baking more convenient and enjoyable. Premium stainless steel attachments ensure long-lasting performance without the risk of coating wear. A one-click tilt head design and splash guard with a removable pouring chute allow easy ingredient addition and mess-free mixing. Compatible with universal power hub accessories, this versatile stand mixer is ready to support a wide range of everyday kitchen tasks. Number 3. Cultron Kenmore Ovation 500W Electric Stand Mixer. 10-speed tilt-head household kitchen batidora with 5 cutie glass bowl, splash guard. The Kenmore Ovation Stand Mixer combines powerful performance with innovative features to make baking and cooking easier. Its high-performance motor effortlessly handles whipping, kneading, beating, and mixing, while operating quietly for a more enjoyable kitchen experience. The unique pour-in top and 360-degree splash guard allow you to add ingredients without stopping the mixer, reducing mess and improving convenience. An integrated LED light provides clear visibility inside the 5-quart glass bowl for precise mixing results. Complete with premium accessories, including a flat beater, dough hook, wire whisk, funnel, egg separator, and grater/zester, this versatile mixer is compatible with popular attachments and backed by a dependable 5-year manufacturer warranty. Benefits: mess-free and convenient mixing. Pour-in top with 360 degrees splash guard lets you add ingredients without stopping the mixer. Powerful and reliable. Quiet motor, versatile accessories, universal attachment compatibility, and a 5-year warranty provide lasting performance and confidence. Number 4. Plum Chef 5.5 QD Electric Stand Mixer, 12-speed tilt-head food mixer, dough mixer with dishwasher-safe stainless steel bowls, dough hook. This 5.5 QD stand mixer delivers reliable performance for everyday baking with its powerful 350-watt copper core motor, providing high torque mixing while using less energy than traditional models. The spacious food-grade stainless steel bowl is ideal for preparing family-sized recipes, and its compact design makes storage easy, even in smaller kitchens. Dishwasher-safe attachments and bowls simplify cleanup, saving time after every use. Complete with a dough hook, flat beater, whisk, splash guard with measuring function, scraper, and egg separator. This versatile mixer is ready for a variety of baking tasks. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support for added confidence. Number 5. Hamilton Beach All-Metal 12-Speed Electric Stand Mixer Tilt Head for 0.5 quarts Pouring Shield. The Hamilton Beach Eclectric Stand Mixer is designed to make baking easier with powerful performance and reliable durability. Equipped with 400-watt motor, 12 mixing speeds, and planetary mixing action, it delivers thorough, consistent results for whipping, kneading, beating, and mixing a variety of recipes. Its durable die-cast metal construction and timeless design provide long-lasting stability while complementing any kitchen. Whether you're preparing cakes, cookies, bread dough, or holiday treats, this versatile stand mixer offers dependable performance for everyday baking. Combining power, precision, and classic style, it is an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced home bakers. Benefits: powerful and precise mixing. 400-watt motor, 12 speeds, and planetary mixing ensure smooth, consistent results for every recipe. Durable and stylish design. Heavy-duty die-cast metal construction provides lasting reliability with a classic look that fits any kitchen. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.